What's up, guys? It's me, Audrey, today. Toca! And today we're going to be playing Toca. So we just turn this down a bit like that. So yeah. If you just woke up, I'll say good morning to you guys. And yeah. So, if you guys have any comments, I will go ahead and check in the comment section. And today we're going to be checking out the new Toca life. The new Toca life. Oh my god, I checked these out whenever I just first woke up. I was like totally blown about it. And they also have the clothes in real life. Yeah, so it's pretty. But you know what? I had wiggly tooth, and yeah. So, but now my tooth is gone. It literally is gone. I have a giant gap that's in my mouth right now. That's why I might sound a little bit different if you hear me talking a little bit different in the video today. So yeah. Let's get into the Toca mix. Those chips are looking hot. Hot. And you see here, the Toca mix. Okay. And there's like this little eye that's the top of the eye is a little beach ball. Oh my god, it's just so cute. And oh my god, I said okay. Then here is the video. We'll watch that a little bit later. Like after the video is done. Oh my god, I said okay. And yeah, here we go. These are the clothes that you can get. These are not all the clothes, they just... And some of the kids will actually bought the clothes in real life. These are actual clothes. Then you can get them at H&M for real. I'm not kidding. Go ahead and buy these amazing clothes. My mom bought me some, and it's just amazing. And look, there's Octobox, the little crumpets, and there's Paulina, or I don't know, or Paul. Or Pineapple Man. I don't know, but it looks like a girl, so yeah. And these are the cute little persons. And look at the sun. It's so cute. And there is Zeke, Octobox, and Lindy. I think that's what her name is. On that little guy's shirt, and there's everything at the new pool location, on that little girl's shirt, and he even has the glasses. It's so amazing. Look at the sandals. Look at the sandals. Oh my god, look at the sandals. Moving on to the next picture, and he also has another shirt, and there's little tiny crumpets and stuff. Oh my god, little crumpet. And the last picture over here, which is, ooh, this little girl, I really like her shirt. That's one that my mom bought for me. It's Nari, and there's like a little tiny octopus and a little tiny baby. Oh my god, the little crumpet. And yeah, that's it. If you guys can read this, comment down below and just read this, okay? And 20 minutes, can you read that? Okay, time's up. And yeah, I think you read that. The gift. Oh, come on. He definitely looks nervous. These are all the episodes that came out. I missed school, guys. You know what? I actually have missed a couple of episodes on Sundays. Some days, not Sundays. I'm saying some days. Just don't know. Some days. Oh yeah, and they also come out with a new little treat bag. So, like I said, we're gonna watch this at the end of the video. Spinny, spinny, woohoo, yeah, yeah. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. How many times have you Ah! Let's get straight on. I need to go potty. Why didn't you go to the bathroom? Why didn't you go to the bathroom whenever we were at home? I don't know. I just couldn't. I didn't have to pee. Excuse me. Wait. Captain? Yes? Okay. Wait, now sitting there. Sir, sit back there and wait till the flight is done. Well, I need to tell you something. My daughter has to pee and she can't hold it. I'm gonna pee in my pants. So I can't hold it. Hurry! Yeah, she needs to pee or else she's gonna pee in her dress. That could be a problem. Why did you say that? We have no bath. We have no restroom. Sweetie? Yeah? Yes, Daddy? There's no restrooms on the plane. Yep, there's completely no restroom on the plane, and we have to hold it. Just try to hold it. Okay. I really need to pee. Ew! Sister! Ew! Ew. What? Ew, why does it smell like pee in here? Please. I couldn't hold it. Well, sweetie, now you can't even control your own bladder. I'm sorry, Mom. Oh, look at your dress. Ew. Excuse me. My daughter just peed in her dress. And she just peed on the seat. And she just peed on her flight seat. So, just please, can we stop the plane? Everybody, we are gonna land because the little girl had peed in her dress. Aw, man. Dumb girl. Ow! Hey, don't do that to my daughter. Hey, don't be so harsh on my son. Well, he was making fun of my daughter. Jessica? Ellie? Why are we fighting? We're best friends. I'm sorry. Me too. Come on, guys. Let's go. Ugh. Come on. Why are you off the plane so soon? Have you landed? You don't have your bags. The reason why is my daughter just peed on the seat, and she just peed in her little skirt, so we need to find a restroom around here. Do you know where a restroom is? Maybe somehow we can do something, but we don't have a restroom anywhere in here. I need to pee again! Ugh. Maybe we could do this. Here, there's a curtain right there. You can close the curtain, you can pee in there. Okay. Finally. Ugh. Come on, hurry up already! Sweetie. Oh. Don't act like that. She just needs to pee. Accident we made. From that big giant problem we made, now we're all taped up. Ugh. Only if we could break out of it. Yeah, it broke us out. Nobody's seen that. Come on, we need to go. Oh, get out. And we gotta get that little kid off the plane because she in. Get her! No! Stand back! Sister! Get up! You got her, boss. Yes. Shut up, little kid. Got him. Let us go. Ow. Don't want to mess with me because whenever I grow up, I'm going to be a boxer. Arrest them! Why are you out? Why are you out? We broke out! Let me go! No, never! Let me go! No! Get him! I broke a bone. Me too. No, the cops are dead! Get here! Take her away! Sweetie! Shut up. Yeah, shut up. Which? No. Get him! You two kids are coming with me. Let me go! You're coming with me. Let us go! I'm not going. Let us go! Make sure now. Clementine. Not Clementine. Take my ghost detector. Ooh, and take this. Nice. And then you guys hold these, okay? Take off the helmet. No, you don't need those on. And you know what? You keep that, and you don't need that. Hold it. What are these? They're things that are in the haunted house. It's my badge. It's just a fake one. And my real one. So you leave that on the floor because they will want it. So go. Okay. That was easy. Yeah, it really was. Oh. I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to go by yourself. It won't budge. It won't budge. It won't go. You're gonna have to go by yourself. Okay. Follow the rock. Follow the rock. Just follow the rock. Just follow the rock. One second, guys. So, guys, my mom was calling me, and I got a slushy. Yeah, back to the story. What's that? Halloween. Trick or treat. Everybody come here together! Get there! Whenever I get a plushie, I always do this. I always lift off the top and I always want to get the smell. No! Bye. What? Hey, get back here! Never! Uh-oh. We're nice people. You can trust us. We're all nice. Don't worry, you can trust the two of us. There's my dad, he's nice, and I'm nice. My name is Cindy, and I love cats. Hi. Only my grandpa. Only my grandpa. He's not very nice. These are our monster friends. Don't worry. They're nice. My name is Mr. Poopy. My name is Mr. Rotten Boo. No. Hi. Are you a real clown? No. I'm just a little girl. So, why did you guys bring me here? Because we want you to be safe. We want me to stay away from Grandpa. We don't want you getting seen, or else what? We will bring you into our secret lab that's over here that looks like a wall. You have to hang up pictures and then boom. Secret lab will open up and then he'll kill you. He'll turn you into slime. Yeah, they can't do that. Aw, man. I only brought up the game that we could do something up here. At least I have this really cool picture. And then maybe we can all read a book. Yeah, you have a book. Yay! What's that? It's a ghost detector. My friend Clementina told me to bring it. Because she was nervous that that there was going to be a bunch of monsters. Get out! So yeah, I can't really do some things around town, but good thing I'm with you guys. And what's this? I never seen this before. What's this button do? Ah! That is called a flashlight. Flashlights are for using whenever you're in dark places like that. Like, whenever it's dark outside, you turn on the flashlight, and then you can see your way, and you can get out of a dark tunnel or something. Whoa! And what's this? This is a ghost. This is a ghost badge. That's a ghost badge that will actually help. Yeah. Isaac, stop. Sorry, guys. That was just my brother. Go back to the story. Can you please talk quieter? Yeah, so that's a ghost badge that my friend really wants. Her name is Clementina. Ooh, I really like that. funky. So, what do you want to do? I like being left and chilling out. I heard that there's this very fun game on a ghost detector. And it's called Catch the Ghost. And here it is. Beep, 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 beep. Let's look around and see what's going on. Thank you. Here you go. Oh, guys, there's new news that just came on live. Wait, can you play a little bit quieter? Yeah, what is it? I'll try not to go to Yeah, what is it? Yeah, what is it? It says... No. 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 No! What happened? The slime. It's released! Oh no! That's gonna take over the whole world! And turn the whole world into slime! Ah, we're all gonna die! We're all gonna die! What's their problem? I don't care. Run again! Run! We're all gonna die! Take the picture! Take that! Here's the game! What's this? Ah! Oh, what's this? Yes! I'm putting this up in the way. Who got the hat? That's a copy of the hat. And the glasses. Run! We're all gonna die! What's their problem? We're gonna die! Why do we need those pictures? Run! Get it! We're all gonna die! Run! Huh? What's this? This place. Bang, bang. No! Don't press the button. Okay. Whoa, what's happening? What's happening? What is that? What? I just made a potion. What is that? What is it? Everybody run! She's slimed! Run into the elevator! No, close! Yeah, baby. Okay guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'm going to be making a chapter 2 of this, so stay tuned and hit that subscribe button for some more cool adventures in Toca and Toca 4. So bye, bye everybody, bye. Say bye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, everybody.